Alright, in this video, I'm going to go over how you can use YouTube videos specifically to make money. This is something you can do a lot quicker than when you use a blog or other means to start getting that affiliate commission rolling in. So you're going to want to check this one out. Hello everyone, I'm Sean with SEO Sorcerer. If you've been here before, welcome back. If you've been here for the first time, welcome aboard. In this video, I'm going to show you how you use YouTube videos to make affiliate commission with Clickbank. Without wasting any more time, let's get into it. So what we're going to do, you're going to make a YouTube video to make affiliate commission on Clickbank, as I've already said. So let's go ahead and get logged in. So we're going to go straight to the marketplace. Alright, whatever you think, whatever your niche is, if there's something you're good at making videos in, that would be where you would start. Let's see. Let's see if we can just search all items. Let's do higher than 50 gravity. This will give us a wide net. Basically what we're looking for something that can, something with high gravity, which that means a lot of people are promoting it, so it's obviously doing pretty well. And something that we can make a video about. So just going through these, Trump gold coin. Probably not the best timing for that. Resurge. Not sure what that is. Okinawa fat belly. $127 per conversion. That's really good. Fitness might be tough. You'd have to make a really good video. We're just looking for something where you could just do a quick testimonial, put the video up. The Lost Book of Remedies. All right, woodworking. This is a good one. Woodworking is something good to go with. So here we go. Here's video. Making video on woodworking could be tough. But a lot of times they offer these things to the affiliates. Here we go. There's an affiliate section for this Ted's Woodworking. Promotes the highest converting. Alright, there's the affiliate links. Basically, I'm seeing what all they have here. Lander. Affiliate research sites. I'm not seeing they have any video. This might be something that where I might have to create a video. I'm not a woodworker. I'm sure there's something out there. There's a solution out there for us. I'm gonna get their super affiliate report. If you're gonna promote a product, which this is what I plan on doing, I'm gonna show you that this is possible. Okay. And then just to show a little bit of how the keywording competition is. This is Ahrefs. You know, if you've watched my videos at all, you know how I feel about Ahrefs. Very good for finding your keyword research. So woodworking tools, woodworking. So when you look here, there's a lot of like keyword difficulty. That's obviously how difficult it is to rank for a keyword. Don't put a lot of stock in that. I mean, it's good to look at. If you see one that's 57, you can almost rest assured that's going to be difficult. But you can do like woodworking videos, and then you can only let it show you like 10 and under keyword difficulty, which is a good idea because when you want to start, you're going to want to target keyword woodworking for mere mortals. That's probably a specific class. Woodworking masterclass. There we go. That will be one that I target. Woodworking masterclass. Woodworking hacks. Woodworking for dummies. Yeah, this is. I'm kind of upset that I showed this one to the public. This is going to be great. This is not going to be too difficult. Like let's do like woodworking hacks. See what comes up. All right, it's all YouTube videos. Okay, now as far as making a video, obviously you have the option of making the video yourself. If you want to go with a niche where you plan on making the video, then you know you're going to be pretty limited to what you're able to choose. Like if I was going to make my own videos, I'm not even sure what that could have entailed. You know, something that I have some knowledge on or something you can just speak on from a general standpoint. A woodworking video, they're probably going to want to see some woodworking action. Might have to get one of my woodworking friends involved. Either way, this is going to be good. So we have a niche, woodworking. Yeah, YouTube videos are ranked near at the top. So the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to get to work on a video. So we'll make this part one. At first I was going to try to do everything in one video. Now that I've chosen something where I can't just throw up a video, this is going to be broken into parts. So this is part one of making money with Clickbank using video. Obviously you have the option of making the video yourself. If you want to go with a niche where you plan on making the video, then you're going to be pretty limited to what you're able to choose. A woodworking video, they're probably going to want to see some woodworking action. Might have to get one of my woodworking friends involved. Either way, this is going to be good. So we have a niche, woodworking, and YouTube videos are ranked near at the top. So the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to get to work on a video. So we'll make this part one. At first I was going to try to do everything in one video. Now that I've chosen something where I can't just throw up a video, this is going to be broken into parts. So this is part one of making money with Clickbank using video. So you want to subscribe, make sure you ring that bell so you see part two. I'll probably do these about once a week. Once again, I'm Sean with SEO Sorcerer. Thanks for checking out my channel. If you like these kinds of videos, it'd be much appreciated if you hit me with that big thumbs up, subscribe, and ring that bell.